your Christmas present.
Thank you. Yeah, because we were not skiing for a long time, and this is the biggest chance to go to ski in Dubai.
Welcome back to our vlog. Today we are in Ski Dubai and I'm so excited to be here. And yeah, it's amazing. Today is -6 degrees here. It's fake snow, but it feels like real. Oh my goodness, yay! This is the idea of Dushan, and he chose his Christmas present. Yeah, to go to ski in Dubai on our actually summer holiday in November. Oh wow, it looks amazing here. Currently in London there are Christmas lights and Christmas trees, and we are in Dubai skiing.
Yeah,
so
I want to go for snow ballet now.
Let's have a look. Wow, it looks awesome. It looks like proper
Ski center,
isn't it? Okay, so guys, welcome in our Ski Dubai vlog. So we purchased the premium tickets and we are here for a whole day. I'm so excited. I haven't skiing for 11 years.
Be 7 maybe. But whatever.
I'm be the ski instructor, so
yeah.
It should be fine.
I love skiing, and the last 7 years we always go for some Caribbean holiday or some summer holiday. And finally we are in Dubai for skiing.
Okay, yeah, so it looks amazing as I can see. I can show you 2 slopes, isn't it? This looks like it's much higher and for more experienced ski people. And this is for snowboards. It looks awesome. Oh my goodness. Wow, so we are going much more higher and I'm scared already.
Wow, because of this like,
oh wow,
big freezer here.
No, it's really cold. We don't have any hats, but we have at least the waterproof warm gloves.
Can relax your back? You can leave your hands free, no problem.
Yay! So I'm already prepared to go on Zipline. I'm waiting for the sun to get ready. Let's go! Woo! Yay! It is amazing! That's amazing! Oh wow! Wow! Woohoo! We had our first ride. It was absolutely gorgeous.
I like it. Wow!
It's amazing. It's vlog in vlog, isn't it? So yeah, it's perfect that we took 2 cameras because we can make sure that we can film ourselves. And then we can put together both of them, isn't it?
Yeah, you're faster. How is it possible?
I'm more light, that's why. So we'll try another ride and then we would like to go to try some different attractions and then we are going to ski. I feel really good in this helmet because it's really warm.
Warm and safe, but warm.
Dushan's ball is coming.
There you go.
They were laughing for me that I don't want to try a ball.
No, it's good.
I am scared.
No, it's like when you see the downwards, it's not even going with you around. It's just going like
a slider? Okay, maybe I'll try later.
Like it, is it?
I look like professional.
Yeah, you look like professional. Like Elsa. So frozen. Woo!
It's amazing.
You like it?
And now? What now?
Now we need to go out.
Oh, wow.
One more time.
Let's take
So let's go for the next ride.
I love it here. Lucia, you know what?
We should
No
come here
more-
from beginning.
No more sea holidays. I think we will be going only to mountains from now on. We are in a snow park. We're just waiting for our penguins, so we can have a 40 minutes with penguins to meet them, to take a photos as well.
The second biggest penguin in the world, the king penguin. So the king penguin, maybe you are familiar with the movie Happy Feet, yeah? They look alike, but they are a little bit shorter. The king penguin, actual size, they will be about 95 centimeter, between 12 to 18 kilogram they can weigh. You feel cold here, yeah? Yes, be cold. Imagine if you go 20 times this temperature. It's super cold, yeah? So this penguin, even you see them minus 70 degrees Celsius.
We had a 40-minute session with the penguins. We took some photos there with the penguins where we touched penguins as well.
Yeah, it was awesome.
It was amazing. They're so soft. It was Lollipop and
Wally.
and Wally as well.
My skier. Let's go to ski. Let's go.
We have
Yes.
look at this professional ride. Today we are enjoying skiing in Ski Dubai.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Outside is raining, so we choose the best day. Basically, it's our last day in Dubai. Tomorrow we are flying back to London. But it was, I think, really good idea to keep it in the end. Oh, I don't
best
think
at the
so.
end.
Best in the end, but maybe we should
Take
try
it from
it
beginning and then we'll be here every day.
Maybe it's good that we try at the end. So definitely we'll come back to ski here.
Yeah.
Or maybe for like short trip to Dubai for like 5 days and then to ski and swim and ski and swim and eat and dinner and sleep and repeat.
I think the best was penguins because we could touch them, and then this is the best, skiing.
Yeah, you have a lot of activities what you can do here, but I prefer to ski more. It's more fun.
My ski master.
I feel so cool.
You feel so cool. Go. You want to go for hot chocolate?
Huh?
We can go for hot chocolate if you want.
Yeah, I told people cold, so let's go for that.
So we need to go on the other side, and there is a small cottage. So let's go there.
We can stop there. Just taking short break for hot chocolate to keep ourselves warm, and it's included in our premium package.
like it?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Now I feel much warmer. You?
It was lovely. And we can continue skiing.
Wow! He is amazing. I don't know how he can ski like that. Oh wow, he's professional.
Wow, I love it here. It's so awesome. Happy? Better than Winter Wonderland, isn't it? You like it?
Wow, it was awesome. I just smashed my elbows in the ice, but that's fine. Let's go.
Like a child. Let's go.
At the beginning, I was really scared to go there, but Lucia told me it's okay. So.
You will love it. I'm sure you will love it. It looks scary, but it's not. You can go.
Will I go? Will I?
Snowman!
Like Winter Wonderland.
Much more better. In Winter Wonderland there is no snow. You like it? Is it good?
We just had our last ride, we're trying the last attractions, and now Dusan is going to try
Special ride.
yeah, special sliding mountain something.
It's going 45 kilometers per hour.
Yeah, and then I think we're going
Then that's it for today.
to the hotel. And we need to pack, and tomorrow we are flying back.
To
So
London. I love it here. This is the best skiing holiday I ever had.
oh yeah, we just forgot to mention that we have a premium ticket, but you always eat something what you can upgrade, even premium, so you can buy for 150 dirhams like better clothes and better ski accessories and so on. So yeah,
Basically there is a premium, and under the premium it's always something you can buy.
exactly.
How do you like it?
Thank you. Thanks. Welcome. This was amazing.
Working? All good? So, let's go.
Let's go to eat. Our food just arrived and we are going to eat and enjoy the view on the way home.
Yeah. Enjoy. Bon appetit.
Enjoy.
It looks so tasty. I'm really hungry after all the skiing.
Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe because more videos are coming. Turn on notifications, hit the bell button and put like if you like this video. Leave us in the comment down below if you've been already in Dubai and if you ski here as well. So see you next video.
Bye.